What a mess. This is a 2004 Volvo S60 with a metal gas tank, and it is relevant for you to know because once you get this seat off and you start taking these access panels off, if it had a plastic fuel tank, you would remove two of these covers, and one would be behind the driver's seat and one would be behind the passenger seat. And you look down and you'd say, oh, that doesn't look like it does on YouTube, because you'll see this cover here. So I was able to unscrew this cover without utilizing the special tool that I purchased already off of Amazon, and rather I was able just to use a hammer and a metal punch to gently and more traditionally move that off. So I did that. I got down in it, and if you look at this, there's two clips from the yellow wire you must remove from the fuel pump. You'll see a plastic clip here with the red wires on it. You have to disconnect that. And then right beneath my phone is a black plastic clip. I'll try to zoom in. That black plastic clip could be best removed with a flathead screwdriver, but mine's still connected because I can't get it off yet. And then if you look a little bit further, on this black connector with the green ring is the fuel line. So after you disconnect the things and you reconnect the things, it might be not that hard of a job compared to having a plastic fuel tank. So those of you who've already purchased a tool and bought the wrong part, don't be as upset, because you probably have an easier job in front of you without having to thread the line, the sender unit line through the fucking car. So, okay, that's all I have, and I'm trying to place absorbent material around my vehicle so when I pull the fuel tank out, it doesn't have any gas smell once I'm done with this job. So here we have it, and that's all I wanted to update you on, because most of the YouTube videos don't include the metal gas tank, and there is sort of a nuance there, and it's because they had a mid-gear change. And if you do the timing belt, you will also notice that this version of the car will have a different timing belt tensioner. So there's a couple of different little subtle changes that might get you if you copy YouTube videos for all the DIY work, and that's why I'm recording this. I don't have anything procedurally to really add here. This is my first fuel pump I've ever changed, but there is a parts difference. Be aware of that if you have certain Volvo S60s with metal fuel tanks. And of course, you can always check easily by the VIN number or looking at the actual metal fuel tank and touching it and tapping on it and realizing it's made of metal, not plastic. And that's my suggestion. Thanks for watching.